viewers, today we are going to learn about alignment of disc brake. Here you can see the lever is touching the handle, which shouldn't have happened. Also, when you observe the reservoir, it's fitted in wrong angle, and coming to the inspection window, even if it's having the brake fluid, you can't see it. Now I will lift the bike from side stand. Even then you cannot see the minimum fluid level because of wrong fitting. Coming to the left hand lever, it's fitted at correct angle. The disc brake lever is not perfect and this cable doesn't have enough play left, but at downside it has so much of play. Now we must pull it upwards and do correction. In the service center, the serviceman didn't adjust it properly. By this, there was not enough play left at top side, so this is the reason the serviceman fitted the disc brake lever in down angle, which is totally unprofessional. That's why I don't go to any service center. Here I will push the cable towards upside and give some play at the top side. Now I adjusted the cable. As you can see, there is so much of play now, and it's time to align the lever in correct angle. Now I will loose both of these 10 mm bolts and lift the lever to correct angle. Once we lift the lever, pull the lever and hold it. Then tighten the 10 mm bolts. Now standing the bike in straight position. You can see the cable still has much play. Here you can see the lever is not touching the handle anymore and can be pulled completely. Now observe the reservoir. As I go on leaning the bike from side to side, you can see the minimum fluid level. And this is how the lever should be aligned. Now take a look at both the levers and their angles. Lever angle should look straight when we view through handle grip, not downside or not upside. It should be straight to your eyes. So gentlemen, thanks for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe and share this video.